I am Bill Bejan. I am with OEReman Direct, and I am here to tell you about the best reconditioned product available in the market today. OEReman Direct buys cosmetically blemished parts, overrun parts, surplus parts. These parts are better than any other reconditioned part on the market because these are mold-perfect parts that were produced off the OEM's tools. They have never been involved in an accident or been hung on a car. The dealers want to buy these parts because the insurance companies are driving more alternative parts usage to their body shops on the direct repair programs. These are essentially brand new parts, and the reconditioning process brings them back to new condition where they do not require any additional labor time from the body shop to be installed on a car. So it's a scuff and shoot product when it gets to the body shop. To give you an idea of what kind of product we receive, this is a pretty typical example of a product that we get. It's a paint blem. You can't tell where it's been damaged. All the tabs are in place. There's no rips, there's no gouges, there's some minor scratching, and there's a couple of pimples in the paint, but other than that, this is a perfect part. And this is a good representative example of what we get. So the first step in the process is this part is going to go into the hot tank. And that hot tank dip allows the part to come back to form. After it's out of the hot tank, it goes to a media blast where the factory paint is media blasted off. If there's any hand sanding that is required, that is done at that time as well. After the sanding process, there's a QC check to see if there's any issues with the bumper cover. After that QC check, it goes to be repaired if there's any scratches, scuffs, gouges. Those are repaired. The last step in the process is 2 coats of waterborne primer. So the first coat gets applied, then there's a quality inspection, the second coat is applied, and then the part is inspected again as a final inspection. This is our same bumper cover after it's been reconditioned, primed. Can't tell the difference between new and ours. Now it's ready to be packaged and shipped. These parts give the dealers an opportunity to sell a competitive product that has a better fit, it has a better value because it's never been used, to put on that car. It's going to fit like an OEM because it is an OEM, and it doesn't hurt their bottom line doing it. And they can make a sale where they otherwise would have lost the sale. OEReman parts are listed in the major estimating systems, CCC, Mitchell's, Autotex, APU Solutions. You can also go to our website, OERemanparts.com, and register. It will show you our parts list, it will show you list price, it will also show you all of the stocking dealers in your area that have those parts. You can search it by part number or application. It's a very good tool to use if you're looking for parts. All of these parts are distributed through the OEM dealers. We take the OEM dealer inventory, we put that data into the estimating platforms, so when an estimate is written, if you've selected that OEM dealer for a reconditioned part or an optional OEM part, they will show up when they have that part in their inventory. Every part that we sell comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Every bumper also comes with a paint instruction card. Because it is a waterborne primer, it does not get an adhesion promoter. If an adhesion promoter is used, that destroys the waterborne primer and the paint won't adhere properly. This is one of those rare occasions where it actually is a win for everybody. It's a win for the dealer because they can sell an alternative part. The body shop wins because they have the highest quality part, they functionally are going to get an OEM part at an aftermarket price. And the consumer wins because they're also going to get the same part. The consumer, if not told, they would never know that they got a quote-unquote reconditioned part on their car because it's going to look and fit exactly like an OEM because it is an OEM bumper.